Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create post in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in blog page. Now you see manage post. So click on it. So we are going to create post. Now dashboard open and then you see blog overview and then you see button create new post. So click on it. So now you can add title blog 1 and then you can add text according to your requirement. Now you see start writing your post here. So you can add text according to your requirement here. So this is title and this is text. Also on top you see multiple option paragraph, font size, bold, italic, underline, color. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Also you see plus icon, so click on it. Now you see media. If you want you can add image, gallery, video, GIF, file. Now you see elements. Now click on image. Now pop-up open. So you can select image according to your requirement, or you can upload image from media, or you can search image from here. Now select and then click on add to page. Now you see image is added. On left side you see add, so click on it. So you can add elements according to your requirement. Now close. Now we are going to add feature image. Now you see settings, so click on it. Now you see feature image. Now select. So Wix auto fetch image from post. If you want you can update image. Now click on it. So you can upload image from your system or you can select here like this. Now you see image is added. If you want you can remove it. Now you see writer. If you want you can create new writer for the post. Now scroll up, you see advanced. Also you see feature image enable and then you see advanced, so click on it. Now you see different option. On left side you see SEO. Now you see SEO setting. Then you see different option assistant, basic, advanced, social share. Now select. Now you see social share. So this is layout. So you can do SEO setting according to your requirement. Now you see categories. So currently we have no category. So you can create according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now post publish done. Close. Close this also and click on publish. Now website publish. Go to page. Refresh the website. Now open blog page. Now you see this is our blog. Now open it. Now you see. So in this way you can create post in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.